let's take our A and our T sound. And now we have at. Very good. Now let's choose our M. Bring this down. And now we have M. At. Mat. Mat. Very good. Now let's put our M back and choose S. Now we have sat. Very good. Now let's move our S and choose our P. Now we have P, pat. And pat can be a person's name, or it can be a word like pat the dog. Very good. These are all the words we can make with our at word family, at. Okay, now let's practice reading some of the word families that we made so far. So we made at, am, app. Very good. And let's practice making and reading some words with these 3 word families and with our 4 consonants up here. You ready? Okay, let's start with our first word. Can you read this word? At. Mat. Very good. Now let's move our M sound down here. Now we have ma'am. Very good. Now let's move our M sound. Oops. Let's move our M sound down here. And we have map. Very good. Now let's place this sound back up. And let's choose our next sound. Let's choose S. We have sat. Very good. And now let's do Sam. Very good. And now let's move this down and we have sap. Very good. Now let's choose another sound. We'll bring our sound up and let's choose our T sound. And we have cat. Very good. That's a pretend word. Now let's move our T here and we have tam. Very good. Now let's move our T sound down here and we have tap. Very good. Now let's choose our next sound. So we'll put our T back up here and let's choose our P sound. And our first word we made is pat. Very good. Pat. And remember, Pat can be a person's name, short for Patrick, or it could be pat, like you're patting a dog. Very good. Okay, let's move our P sound down here, and we have Pam. Very good, Pam. And Pam can be a person's name as well. Okay, let's move our P sound down here, And we have app. Pap. Very good. Pap. Pap can be a pretend word as well. Very good. See all the words you can make with just 5 sounds. Good job.